Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi episode of Basalam, December 5, 2022. Fourth hour Sudoku. Second row, fourth row, we have 9. Column F also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row, fourth row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. Column G also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7, 2. 6th row, we have 1, 4, 7. That 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, and then 1 is here. Fifth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Column G we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. The 8th row we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 4th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. First grid we have 1, so we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column C we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Third row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.